Hey guys, Sam Rhino here with another video. This video is going to be about Merlins, those little falcons that are incredibly fast, ferocious appetite. They're mostly feeding on little birds. Actually, I've only seen them feed on little birds. If you've seen them feed on something else, please leave in the comments. I've never seen it. But the one thing I really love about them is when they have prey and they're feeding, they'll totally ignore you and they're oblivious to you being right next to them. So you can get really close and get some amazing shots and video of them if you can get them feeding. So I hope you enjoy this video and photos of Merlins feeding. And I wanted to touch base on the A1, the new announced camera by Sony. I'll definitely be getting it at some point. I don't know when. It's a lot of money, so I have to figure it out. But I'll definitely be getting it. It checks a lot of boxes for me as a wildlife shooter. 30 frames per second, 50 megapixels, the focus of the A9. 4K 120 is huge for me. I probably won't use the 8K too much, honestly. You know, at that point, I'll probably end up getting rid of my A7r4. It'll be kind of redundant at that point. I'll probably keep my A9. I'm not sure yet as a backup camera, or pick up something else. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. But you know, I don't know when I'll get it. You know, all the gear that I get is gear that I buy. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I don't get any gear for free like a lot of these YouTubers. So you know, at least it'll be an honest opinion on it. But anyway, as soon as I get it, I'll do some kind of review and my impressions on it as a wildlife shooter. So look for that at some time. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I hope you enjoyed this video, the photos, and all the videos I got of Merlins. And until next time, guys, peace out. So it's funny how I got this Merlin eating a bird on top of a telephone pole. I was driving early morning, just taking a drive just to clear my head. I was driving down the shore area, just taking a nice drive. And I was making a habit to keep my camera on me if I can, keep the camera in the car as much as I can, because you never know what you're going to encounter. So across the highway, I see, you know, a small bird that was pecking at something top of a telephone pole, and I said, I bet you that's a Merlin. So I tried to turn around as fast as possible, hoping he would still be there. And sure enough, I get there, and it's a Merlin devouring a bird, and I got most of it. You know, you never know what you're going to encounter. So I always try to keep an eye out. Not suggesting you take your eyes off the road. Don't do that. It's just what I do. Like I said, I try to keep my camera on me at all times. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to cut out now and enjoy the video and the pictures. And until next time. All right, guys.